Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another session of folding some origamis. This session, I'm gonna be folding a kimono. This might be a bit too small for Kalo. Yeah, he couldn't fit in. Sorry, man. Okay, this kimono though, it's kind of a bit weird the way it folds, because it kind of has to be sort of precise but not precise at the same time. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, sorry about that. So, and the paper we're gonna use, this is a testing paper, just don't make sure it works. I'm gonna be using this very fancy floral paper. The thing is, it has to be like a third, like a third. I hope this is a third. So one, 2, yeah. So this is sort of third. The top one can be a bit shorter, so but the first two has to be about the same size. So let's begin trying to fold this. So first off, we're actually going to confirm where the fold is. So I'm gonna make some guidelines first. So first we're going to fold the corner. Okay, I'm gonna fold the corner, and then we're gonna fold it in half. Okay, so you can see this is actually quite less than third, but it's okay, we can work with this. So okay, this is already a third, and here I'm gonna fold it backwards. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit on, but let's see how it goes. So from here we're gonna fold a small flap, which is going to be the collar area or the area of the kimono. So we fold this small flap, we fold it up, and we're gonna do a small, I'm guessing this is a bit too big, so let's fold smaller collar, just a slight smaller. Hey Michael. Okay, just a small collar, so when we fold it, so it looks okay. I think this is nice, and we're not gonna fold all the way to the center. We're just gonna leave a small gap at the center, so I'm guessing that looks okay, so we're gonna leave it like that. This one might need to do some manual adjustments, trying to make it as neat as I can. Okay, so I think that looks good. Yeah, so the next step will be we're gonna fold like this flap down. We're gonna like align to almost to this line, so this might be a bit hard because it's quite a multiple fold here. So okay, I hope I got it. Just align as close as you can, not to go over. I mean, you can go over a bit, but this is just to align as much. So yeah, okay, so you can see the pattern aligns with the collar area. So here is where we can a unique fold or squash fold. You can open and close this part. Okay, so you can already see the kimono is already looks almost like a kimono right now. And okay, let me just finish this side. Okay, ideally we will like this part to overlap, so you put this underneath the flap, so it kind of locks in place. So you can just fold a bit so it locks there. So you can see it kind of locks a bit there. It couldn't lock all the way up because of the back fold here, because it's not an open fold. So the top part you can never overlap the top part, but you can overlap a bit on the bottom part to lock it. So we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, try to get it. Let me just try. Yeah, try to get it as close as I can. Okay. And then do the squash fold on this side. Okay. Just adjust the triangle here a bit. Okay, and we try to sorry. Oh, suddenly the stream is a bit bad. Okay. Just flap it a bit there. Oops. Just adjust the. We're just gonna lock the flap a bit. So just run away. So sorry if it's like a bit laggy. The video seems to be a bit laggy. Okay, so once you've done that, we're gonna fold the top part backwards. So hopefully I can do it. Yeah. Okay, I'm guessing the kimono, yeah, should be like something like that. Alright, and that is your kimono. I'm guessing it's a bit short because of the very short thirds though, because originally it should be quite long and you can adjust the height of the sleeve, but in this case I cannot adjust the height of the sleeve. So I think you really need to get a very close you need to get a very close thirds, like a proper one third of a paper. So just show the back side. So there should be an extra flap here, but because that's not enough. But as you can see, if you do it properly, it looks pretty nice with the paper pattern. And if you imagine the sleeve will be longer, then yeah. So that's the kimono. I think this is a bit bigger, so I think, does it fit color? I think color cannot fit. Yeah, it's a flat thing. Apparently if you make a paper doll, you can slit the paper doll in the middle, and then the paper doll can be worn with this kimono. So that's it for tonight's session of folding some kimonos. Thank you for watching. In the next session, we're gonna do sort of like a box called tato. It's like a round box where you can, not say you can put stuff, but it's like a very spirally box shaped thing. So you're gonna fold flaps, flap. So that'll be interesting. So stay tuned for the next session, and thank you for watching. Have a good night, good day, and bye bye.